Let me now introduce you to HTML attributes. HTML elements can have attributes which provide additional information about HTML elements. Attributes are always specified in the start tag. They come in name-value pairs, like name equals value. The value is always in quotations. For example, HTML links are defined with the anchor tag or the A tag. The link address is provided as an attribute. Notice that I have my attribute href equals. Then the value of the attribute here is in quotation marks. www.w3schools.com is all in quotation marks. And then this is a link, is the content of the anchor. This anchor tag looks like this in the browser. Here is the content of our first HTML page, and then here is the link. This link will go to www.w3schools.com as defined here in the attribute. Here is the text that's a part of the link. So here are some guidelines for attributes. Always include attributes in quotes. Double style quotes are the most common, but single style quotes are also allowed. In some rare situations, like when the attribute itself contains quotes, it's necessary to use single quotes. For example, here is a name attribute, and the value is John Shotgun Nelson. The shotgun is in quotations itself, so the attribute value is in single quotes right here. Now, attribute names and attribute values are both case sensitive, so it's best to stick with lowercase attributes, attribute value pairs, as I've done here. Notice that the John Nelson is not capitalized. The first letter in the word is not capitalized. Here's a list of some attributes that are standard for most HTML elements. The attribute class represents a class rule value or style rule value. This is the class of the element. The ID attribute has a value ID underscore name. This is a unique ID for the element. More about classes and IDs as well as styles when we cover CSS a bit later in the course. The style attribute has a style definition value. This is an inline style definition. And the title attribute is a tooltip text value. This is the text to display in a tooltip. Those are those tooltips that when you roll over links, it gives you a little tip of what the link will be or what it's for. Let's move on to the next movie and discuss in more detail the ID and class attributes.